Hi, hello, hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Payel Sutradhar. Just coming up on here, carry my speaking video, and this video can be part of your practicing too if you attentive on here, and I hope you must be care about that. So stay with me until the end, and in this video I wanna say to you something randomly because today I have no topic. And you know what? I really would like it to talk randomly with my special someone, with my relatives, even my siblings. And that's all I doing nowadays. And my all family members really supporting to me. And just because of them, today I'm on here in front of all of you and making every single day little bit videos and uploading on my YouTube channel, sometimes on my best learning platform Search English, and those are my nowadays activities. So here I'm staying inside of our vegetable garden, but you know what? Now I'm suffering a biggest problem. That is about mosquito. Many mosquitoes are coming to me and they're starting their journey. Already you understand what I wanted to say to you is they're starting their journey and they're biting me, although I have a coil. Yes, because when I replaced from my room to vegetable garden, that time I carried out coil just for eradicate the torture of mosquitoes, but unfortunately it don't work, and that's why it is so suffering period to me. But I have no alternative way without tolerating their torture, because now I'm talking to you and this is really a valuable period to me, and I don't like to compare my speaking period with some situations or something else. So this moment it is afternoon period and I see a beautiful scenario of nature, and you know I'm a nature lover person, and that's why when I feel bored and when I feel that my mind is not so good and everything really looking so bad, there's that time I have changed my place. So that was happened to me last time, because last time I really I have faced a problem around a large sounds from outside, and that was a disturbing period to me, and that's why I'm on here just for making this video purpose. Actually I sharing with you this thing again and again. Actually it is repeating, right? But I don't know why. Maybe it's just coming for my nervousness. Today I'm a little bit nervous because just a while ago I have noticed my YouTube channel contains 90 subscribers. Yes, 90 subscribers, and that is possible just only for you. That is my happiness, and that is only possible for you. So who person already subscribed to my channel, I wanted to give my heartiest congratulations, and I'm so grateful. I'm just grateful to you, and I really requesting to you, please stay with me like this way and just support me and give me suggestions. I am always waiting for your suggestions and your mind. Yes. So thank you so much who person subscribed to my channel, and this is my happiness, and that's why although I have faced a large sound when I was staying at my room, I have changed my place just for this video purpose. So now you think for once how much attracted I am on here. Yes, I'm so attracted just for speaking purpose. I'm so attracted just for writing purpose, and that's why sometimes my speaking is really looking like a reading. But it is not my reading video, it is completely a speaking practice, and it is a natural. Yes, it is automatically came from my mind, it is not artificial. Okay, yeah. So you also can carry this way if you want to improve yourself, if you want to grow your speaking. That time, this type of video what I'm delivering to you, it is undoubtedly an essential part. Yes, it is guaranteed. So This time I watching sweet sounds of bird, and here a light wind blowing. You know what? Yes, and our house surrounded by different varieties flowers, and that's why I can watch. Super beautiful scenery in the morning time when all flowers are blooming. Yes, but it is absent right now because it is afternoon period, and because as a as a Hindu religion, we have worship every single day where need lots of flowers. There's every day we have collecting many flowers from our own flower trees, and just try to utilize those flowers in our worship. And that's why these all flower trees are blank right now, but in the morning time those trees are full of different flowers. Yeah, many a person came to our house just for a flower purpose, because they also carry worship, just a great blessings. Okay, so that is my story for today, and that's all what I have mentioned to you. But this time I also see crows are running here and there. Maybe they're finding their own place because it's going to be evening time. So everyone, many thanks to person hearing this random speaking, and how you're feeling I don't know, but I'm so happy at the ending part. Yes, I'm saying to you I'm so happy because my YouTube channel contains 90 subscribers, and sooner or later it is must be reached on 100 subscribers. Actually, I am going slowly. Yes, I'm going slowly, and you guys, you my beloved supporters, supported me. Yes, and just only for your continuous support, my channel growing up, and I'm also growing up. Yes, so thank you so much, because it is really so tough to me staying here a long time, because mosquitoes torture growing up rapidly, and that's why I have to leave this place, and I have to back to my own room. But before going, I requested to you once again, dear people who person still now not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and requesting once again, please support me by providing your suggestions. I want to stay on here forever with your beloved company. So that's all, and thanks for watching. My best wishes for each of one who person hearing me in every single day, and you can watch my videos without any skipping, and see you very soon, and take care, and just pray for my family members, and you can take care of yourself in this pandemic situations. And what I say, actually I'm so speechless. Yes, already I'm reaching at the ending part, that's why maybe I'm speechless. But take care of yourself and enjoy my each of works, and just waiting for my bag. That's all. Goodbye.